Let's start designing social media post. Make a rectangle and adjust it. Make a copy of rectangle and adjust it. Make another rectangle in center and adjust it. Make a copy of rectangle and change its color. Bring an image of girl and clip with center rectangle. Bring another image of girl and clip with yellow rectangle and put black in white effect. Do the same process with other yellow rectangle. Now bring a logo in PNG and adjust it. Write a text with font Franklin Gothic Heavy. Write another text with same font. Put a light stroke on text fashion. Thank you for watching.